The new TI-84 Evo. This is Lines in Conics app part 3, showing the circle templates. Begin by pressing the Home On key and selecting the Lines in Conics app. Press Enter. Press Enter again to see the equation options. We want a circle in center radius form, so I'll continue to the right until we get to that. Press Enter. So it's going to be x minus a -3, right arrow, y minus 2, right arrow, and 5 squared is 25, so Enter, and I can press Graph. Next, we want the circle in standard form. So again, I go back to y equals, go down to E2 for equation 2, and press Enter, and arrow to the right until I get to that one that I want. Press Enter for OK. And it's going to be 1x squared. Notice it already puts in 1 for y squared, otherwise it would not be a circle. -2 for the coefficient of x, +6 for the coefficient of y, and -6 for the constant. Enter, and then Graph. And let's show you how you can go back to y equals, which is e equals, but then press it again, and I'll go down to y4 and put in 2 to the x, just to show you can graph these along with the conics. Here it comes in hot pink. So here's our summary. For more TI-84 Evo videos, please visit this website. It is case sensitive.